Hello students, welcome back to Plus 2 Economics YouTube channel. Here we are discussing the features of monopolistic market. Now monopolistic market is one of the most prominent imperfect competition market that we have, and this is a very commonly asked question in the final examination. So make sure that you learn these 6-7 points and write all of them if it is asked in the examination and get 100% marks that is allotted to the question.
Right. Let us see the important features of monopolistic competition market. Now, like I told you, this is again one of the most important questions that is generally asked in the second PUC examination. So let us learn each of these points individually and make sure that we cover all these points in our answer and get full marks. So the first point that is given is monopolistic market has large number of buyers and large number of sellers. Very important point. It should be there in your answer. So there are large number of buyers and large number of sellers. It also means that in monopolistic market, anybody can enter and anybody can exit. So please remember this point as well. So these 2 points here and this point here goes together. So we have to cover this in the beginning of your answer. So there are large number of buyers in the monopolistic competition and there are large number of sellers in the monopolistic competition, and here anybody can enter and anybody can exit. Third point is it is a price making market. Very important. In monopolistic market, the sellers decide the price for the goods or the services that they are dealing with, because here you find differentiation in the goods and services. What does it mean? It means that one good is different from the other good. Take the example of hotels, take the example of restaurants. So what do we see there? Each hotel is different from one another, each restaurant is different from one another. Or you can take the example of hairdressers. We find so many hairdressing shops around us, the saloons that we find around us. Each person will have his own style, each person would have set up his saloon in a different way. So these are the best examples for monopolistic competition. And the price purely depends on the kind of offerings that they make. So here it is a price making market. Very important. It is quite generally asked for 1 marks as well. Monopolistic competition is a price making market. Right. So the price is an independent factor and it purely depends on the demand. So when the price is reduced, the demand increases. When the price is increased, the demand decreases. So law of demand is applicable in the monopolistic competition market. The goods produced are not homogeneous in nature. It means that goods produced are heterogeneous in nature. So please remember this point also. Goods produced in the monopolistic competition market are heterogeneous in nature. Every good is or comes with a differentiation, and based on that even the price is decided. Right. It involves selling cost. See, when the goods are heterogeneous in nature, so automatically what happens is the price varies from one good to another good, and it becomes important for the seller to stress on this heterogeneity, to stress on the differentiation factor. So to stress on that, he has to take up marketing activities, mainly advertisement. So as a result of that, there will be selling cost in the monopolistic competition. Right. So law of demand is applicable. We know that the law of demand states that when everything is kept constant, ceteris paribus, when price increases, quantity demanded decreases. When price decreases, quantity demanded increases. So this is purely what happens in monopolistic competition. So the sellers vary the price in order to have higher demand. So these are some of the most important points that you are expected to cover in the question if it is asked, features of monopolistic competition. So please make sure that you cover all these points and get full marks. This can be a 4-mark question. Sometimes it so happens that you are asked to distinguish between perfect competition market and the monopolistic competition market. So please be aware of this. You just have to write around 5 differences between 2 markets and you get full marks. I hope this video was of some help to you.
you please like the video if you have really liked it. Please do share the link of this video with your friends so that they can also learn. Do subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much.